my face.
I'm not in your face, homie. Yo, dude, you don't even understand what the streets is like.
Yeah,
That's what we take from y'all.
I know.
You stick it on. I'm calling police on you. You hit me 2 times in the face. Hit me third. Hit me third. Hit me a third. Hit me a third. Please. Beg. I beg you. Hit me a third. Hit me a third. Brother. Hit me a third, bro. Hit me a third. Hit me a third. Joe, I want you to go to jail. I want you to go to jail. I don't want you to go to jail.
Let's leave him alone. Let's leave him alone. Let's leave him alone. Let's leave him alone.
What's wrong with you, bro? I got you, cuz. It's cracking. Stupid. It's stupid. Bro. Thank you for recording that. Thank you for recording that. Thank you for recording that.
Get out!
Hit
Get out!
right time. Hit
Get
it
out!
right here.
Get out! Get out! I'm not even
Hit
gonna
it,
touch you.
hit
Get
it,
out!
hit
Get
it,
out!
hit it,
Get
hit
out!
it, hit it.
Just get out!
Hit
Get
it,
out!
hit
Get
it.
out.
Hit my face. Stupid. Are you dumb or something? I didn't take that from the start. Are you dumb? Dumbass nigga. Come again. Right here. Come again. Come again. Please, 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 please. Stupid. Are you dumb or something, bro? You working for $15 an hour. Are you dumb? Are you fucking stupid, bro? Are you fucking dumb? Hit it again, hit it again. I'm gonna leave it alone.
Yeah, you better leave him alone. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Back up! Back up! Back up! Go ahead. Go back. Go back. Go ahead.
Yo, if I was you in that country or a nigga like us, some racist.
Call me a nigga.
I'm right here. I wait for them. I wait for them. Did I steal anything? No. Call them, bro. And there's still nothing. Call them, bro. What, a white man can say the N-word?
No, you can't say that.
Entonces has an ER in the end? Listen, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna call police and we call them. Listen, I'm right here. Son hit me 2 times in the face, homie. Wait, I'll wait for the police. Where they at, bro? I ain't steal nothing, bro. I'll wait for them. Where are they? They can't even call them because they ain't steal nothing, homie. I smoke hard, baby. You flashing the light, whatever. Come on, homie. Get yourself together, G.